If you have a pant like this that is bulging from behind, like there's an excess fabric that is showing at the back, sometimes even when you use your belt, it still doesn't look nice on you. The front part feels okay, it looks very perfect and it's sitting well on your waist, but the back isn't. Do not throw that pant away, because today I will be showing you what to do to make that pant look really good on you and sit perfectly without even sewing the pants at all. What you need to do is for you to grab the scissors and make a small hole inside this part of the pant and at the other side, just a small hole where your rope can pass through. You can make use of shoelace or any available rope that you have that will fit well. So this is the rope I'll be using for this video. I'm just going to pass this rope through the hole that I have created. Mind you, when I made the hole, I didn't cut through to the outer part of the pants. You see, just the inner part is where I cut. So your rope will be hidden and it will pass through the middle of the band at the waist. Also, I tied the tip of the rope to make a knot so that by the time I pass it through the middle of the band, it will be easier for me. You can make use of setting pin to pass your rope, or you do whatever works for you. While I was passing this rope, I was met with an obstacle in the middle. This was sewn through to the outer part of the fabric, so I just removed it. So we are getting closer to the other hole that I created, and here it is. This is an easy procedure for you to take. Right now I'm done passing the rope, and this is the obstacle, like I said, I removed from the middle. So if you want to tack this back on, you can, but for me, I don't think I really need this, so I won't be tacking this onto my pants. I'm just going to show you how to do it. I'm just going to tack 1 or 2 places so you see. And when you're tacking, do not allow your thread to be visible at the back. That's, your stitches should not be visible at the back. Follow through as you are seeing this. Pass the rope through the middle of the band, and so you will see what it looks like. It fits in so well, and the beauty of this is that the rope that you have passed will be well hidden inside your pants. You see what I mean? It's not visible at the back. So like I said, I would not be needing this, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut this off. This is just what you need to do, very simple. So we are going to put this back onto the dummy and you will see what it looks like. Here's the dummy all dressed up with the same pants, but this time around we are going to be having a different look, because we now know the secrets to making this look good. After zipping up and buttoning my pants, I'm just going to go ahead and tie this firmly to the dummy's waist. One point you should consider is, while you are doing this, there is this gather-like effect that it would give. So you are going to distribute that gather evenly all through your waist. Once you're done tying, you just tuck the ends of the rope into your waist like this. Just tuck it there and it will be well hidden. No one will know you did it unless you tell them. So look at it. Isn't this beautiful? I'm still trying to distribute this so that it will sit well with the dummy's waist. Look how relaxed it looks. So if you have a pant with this problem, you don't have to throw it away, okay? And you don't just have to start losing and sewing. Just follow this simple step and you'll be so happy with it. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to see nice videos like this. And of course, we want to hear from you. Drop a comment in the comment section below, and do like this video. Do not forget to share to those that would need this. Thank you.